growling. No, no. Great.
Yeah, I'll do that taper, Zach.
Yeah, I doubt it. You could have heard it.
No, no, Mr. Monster.
You want to take a lead now?
Bueno. No bueno.
No, I'm good. You can.
No bueno, Mr. Monster.
Okay, oh, you see the arrow? Oh, hey guys.
Oh, yeah. We
Guys,
found
okay, you guys
guys.
see these two? You guys see these two things? We're going this way. You guys see the arrow? Walk that way.
You guys scared me. I saw light. I'm like, oh my god, it's right there.
And then we were about to take a right too, and I was like, no, let's just go straight in. What the coinky think, dude? Jinkers or jinkies?
Arrow. To the rocket ship.
Onward to victory.
Jinkers.
Oh, the rocket ship, guys.
That was
Mark, we were already in here, weren't we?
Ah, my tape.
I want to get the tape. Aww.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, I wanted to get the tape.
I got every tape, guys.
Oh, dude, SR-71 Blackbird.
Dude, look at the alien in the middle of the floor, dude. There's an alien.
Yeah,
Okay, wait, let's go back, guys, because the thing pointed an arrow to two different locations.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Trust me, guys, I know what I'm doing. Oh, you can play with one hand, you know.
Yeah, you can eat with one hand, Daniel.
Yeah, all this really is.
I've seen you type with one hand. I think you can eat with one hand, Daniel. That one time,
Watch out, I heard vibration, guys.
you're like,
Yeah, my flashlight's blinking, Marco. I'm gonna turn around. I'm gonna turn around. Just follow you.
Jinkers, guys. I'm gonna say Jinkers because that's funny. What are you doing?
You guys are behind me?
Oh, this is that train area or whatever.
Marco, are you the
Oh,
one
he's right there, he's right there. He's like right around the corner. Stop. Dude, you almost killed me there.
I didn't even see him.
Do the tape over there. Did you guys get the last train yet? So there should be a tape there. Oh, it's still there. What the hell?
Oh,
Fine.
right there.
Okay, let's walk this way. Pretend we're walking this way, and we'll walk back.
There's also a green turd across the other way of the rail.
Does anyone want to take a peek? Because I saw him like 2 times.
I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. Because you know what? YOLO.
Don't get too close. I heard a scream, so he probably how far away.
No, he's not here. This green thing is gonna kill us.
No, it's not.
Okay.
Alright.
Guys, my guy's getting slow.
Doesn't this game make you feel like he's right behind you, but he's not? With the breathing and your... Yeah.
You guys don't leave me in the back. I'm fat.
I like Slenderman better. I think this guy's his retarded cousin because have you seen his face?
Oh god. Do you guys hear that? It sounded like something was flying.
Oh Jesus! My body is right. Who died?
He was right behind you guys. Run! Run!
Zach, did you die?
Yeah, he was like right behind you guys.
Right
You guys went across this platform. He's near you.
Oh, look, someone get taped.
I hear it! I wanna get it, I wanna get it. Oh, I wanna...
Come on, you guys are only 2 away.